Natural teeth whitening with just one ingredient 3-minute recipe. There are many different hygiene products, but nobody actually knows what they can do to our cavity. Many medical experts said that many different people reported problems with their teeth, gum irritation, brittle or translucent teeth, all caused by teeth whiteners. There are many reasons to stay away from all those harmful hygiene products and use all natural products, which are much safer and more effective than the commercial products. What if we tell you that you can make your own homemade paste using just one all-natural ingredient? The best thing about this toothpaste is that it will work as a teeth whitener and healing remedy at the same time. Your gum and your teeth will be much healthier. The main ingredient in this homemade teeth whitener is apple cider vinegar. It's made from fermented apples and it's rich in pectin and essential minerals. Apple cider vinegar is highly valued for its medicinal properties. People use apple cider vinegar to make many different health conditions, including teeth whitening. Why is apple cider vinegar beneficial for teeth whitening? Well, you should know that apple cider vinegar is a powerful cleaning agent which is very useful in maintaining the acidic pH value. We can also say that this ingredient is highly beneficial and very useful in removing stains and whitening your teeth. It's also very useful for treating gum disease caused by mouth bacteria. How to whiten your teeth using apple cider vinegar? Here's what you need to do. First, you need to dilute apple cider vinegar with some water. You should follow this ratio: 1/2 teaspoon of apple cider vinegar to a cup of water. You need to store this mixture in a glass bottle. In the morning when you wake up, use this mixture as a mouthwash and brush your teeth as normal after that. Remember, you need to do this regularly if you want to remove the stains off your teeth and to whiten them at the same time. Note, you should always shake the bottle with this mixture before you use it because the essential ingredients will fall on the bottom. Don't forget to dilute apple cider vinegar because of its acidity. It can damage your tooth enamel. And one more thing, don't use this treatment couple times a day. You can use it just once a day in order to protect your enamel. This homemade teeth whitener is very useful and completely safe. Try it and you will be amazed by the results. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to share with your friends and family. Homemade toothpaste for treating gum disease and whitening teeth. We all know that oral hygiene is extremely important for all of us. But the most important question is, do we actually use the right hygiene products? Flossing is hard and difficult process for all of us. Other products can't help us to get rid of the coffee and wine stains, etc. There are many different hygiene products, but nobody actually knows what they can do to our cavity. Many medical experts said that many different people reported problems with their teeth, gum irritation, brittle or translucent teeth, all caused by teeth whiteners. There are many reasons to get rid of all those harmful hygiene products and use all natural products, which are much safer and more effective than the commercial products. What if we tell you that you can make your own homemade paste using just all natural ingredients? And the best thing about this toothpaste is that it will work as a teeth whitener and healing remedy at the same time. Your gum and your teeth will be much healthier. The main ingredient in this homemade paste is turmeric. We can easily say that turmeric is one of the healthiest spices on the planet. It's a powerful ingredient which can provide many health benefits. Many people in the world use this spice to make different remedies for treating many different health conditions. They also use it to make their favorite foods and meals. This spice has powerful anti-inflammatory properties. The ISP, Indian Society of Periodontology, says that this spice is an effective mouthwash which is also very useful and beneficial in people who are having problems with gingivitis. Homemade turmeric paste recipe. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon coconut oil, peppermint oil, 1 teaspoon or 2 capsules turmeric powder. Directions. Here's what you need to do: just mix all ingredients into a thick paste. Just apply some of this turmeric paste on your toothbrush and brush your teeth as you normally do. Then you should leave it on your teeth for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, spit it out and wash it off with water. Your teeth will be shine and you will never have problems with your gum. You will be amazed by the results. Just after few days you will have beautiful and bright smile. Your friends and family will ask you for your secret. So don't wait and share this video with your friends, and thanks for watching.